Hi Sumate, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video on my YouTube channel, thank you so much for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support so far. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a sneak peek process of how I made my birthday dress, and right on the screen is my inspiration, where I got the inspiration from the dress. Although I decided to make some changes to the dress, so I drafted my princess dart bustier pattern. I went ahead to cut it out as shown. I used a square neckline for this dress. I also went ahead to cut out the darts because that's going to be the place I'll insert my godet. So I cut it out as shown. And then I also went ahead to cut out the darts for the back pattern as shown. I placed it on my fabric, cut out for the front pattern. I gave out my side allowances and my ½ inch for joining the dress together. I also did the same thing for the back. I marked out my zipper allowance as shown. I went ahead to cut out this godet as shown in like a 180-degree flare form. So I ended up cutting it out into 4 pieces, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. So I went ahead to join the dress for the front piece. I stopped at the waist part. I also went ahead to stitch the princess dart area. So you can see I also ironed my hairstay to the dress to give the dress a little bit of structure. So I went ahead to cut out the cape for the front parts of the neckline, that's the square neckline. And after I was done doing that, I went ahead to stitch the godet around the dart area as shown, as you can see. Then I also went ahead to use my thread to make a ruffle at the cape area to form that beautiful design that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. I drew the rope, I went ahead to tie it and secure it in place, just as you can see. And guys, if you want me to make a detailed tutorial of how I made this dress or how I drafted the pattern, please drop a comment below so I'll be able to drop a video. I went ahead to stitch the sides of the dress, and I also hemmed the dress at the down part, and voila, I was done with my birthday dress. If you want a full tutorial of how I drafted this pattern, just leave a comment below like I said earlier. And this is the outcome of my dress. This looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. Like I was literally feeling like a queen on my birthday. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.